best MacBook apps of 2024. Embrace automation, cut off repetitive tasks. Are you a MacBook user with a penchant for automation and a hatred for repetitive tasks? The following 5 apps would ingrain the utmost sketch of automation on your MacBook and let you subside repetitive. With modern-day technologies considerably bending towards automation, it has the potential to enhance productivity by streamlining repetitive tasks on your Mac, irrespective of them being work-centric. Here are the top Mac apps of 2024. Keyboard Maestro. Keyboard Maestro allows users to customize macros and automate tasks in various applications. This automation includes everything from simple text expansions to complex sequences involving multiple applications. The app with an intuitive interface also lets users set triggers, record actions, and create complex workflows without programming knowledge. Alfred. The Alfred app on Macs does more than boost productivity, as enables users to create custom shortcuts and automate file management, web searches, and launching applications with its workflow feature. Moreover, it can be integrated with other apps and is capable of command generation for those apps. Hazel. This app on Mac is ideal for file management, automates the organization of your documents and folders, sorting files into appropriate folders based on predefined rules, file renaming, and actions like tagging or moving items. Automator. As it's developed into Mac OS, it serves as an instant platform for creating custom workflows, letting users drag and drop actions to predefine automation routines to execute tasks such as renaming files, converting image formats, or processing text. Better Touch Tool. Last but not the least, the Better Touch Tool app on MacBook allows users to customize gestures and actions for the trackpad, mouse, and touch bar. These apps, like others we mentioned, automate app launching and execute scripts with simple gestures or shortcuts to refine your MacBook's efficiency.